Hey, buddy, tell me about what do you have?
Cuckoo's I bet.
What is it?
2 minutes.
Cuckoo's gonna be in 2 minutes? Uh-huh.
Night over.
The cuckoo went night-night?
Cuckoo night.
Cuckoo went night-night?
Cuckoo night.
And when's it gonna come back out again?
And then what that?
Huh?
One.
One, two, three, four, five, six.
Out.
What?
The cuckoo. The cuckoo go. The cuckoo.
You've ever seen a cuckoo bird? Have you ever seen a cuckoo?
The cuckoo.
How does it work?
The cuckoo go.
What's about to happen, Luke? It's getting close. We have 1 minute.
2 minutes.
1 minute. The cuckoo went off.
What funny?
What?
Funny. Say again.
Is it going to go again? What does it say when it goes?
Cuckoo.
How does it go?
Cuckoo. Got out.
How does it work, Lukey?
Cuckoo out. Yeah. My tail. Cuckoo.
Cuckoo.
My tail. Doo doo. That's it. Cuckoo. Doo. Cuckoo. Cuckoo. Duck.
Okay, we're going to watch it go. You want to see the cuckoo? Okay. I think it's going to go, Lukey. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3. Cuckoo! Cuckoo! Cuckoo, cuckoo, cuckoo! I think it's going to go, Lukey.
Yes. Yes.
Get ready.
Yes.
Your ears? Does the cuckoo scare you? He scares you? How does he scare you?
Yes.
He goes, cuckoo!
But yes.
It hurts your ears?
It's very loud.
It's loud?
Loud.
Okay, loud.
That cuckoo well me.
Yeah, it hurts your ears?
Loud. Well,
Get ready.
loud.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Oh, well. That's funny.
You like watching the cuckoo clock?
Done. By Dan?
Yeah, he's all done. We gotta wait an hour and he'll come back, okay?